Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, very proud to have Prateek with me today. 8 each in PT and he has cleared his NAATI exam as well. So 25 points altogether. Congratulations, Prateek.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot to you as well as to LA Language Academy. So, actually, you gave us all the templates and everything on how to do it, on how to basically do the writing part, the listening part, the reading one. Moreover, for the NAATI one, like the Sumati ma'am and Sakshi ma'am really helped me in learning the dialogues and helping in grasping the pronunciations as well as the help me in learning the meanings.
That's
So
right.
it was really helpful for me.
Thanks for that, Prateek. Prateek, I remember you've recently cleared your PT. You were missing out in one or the other sections every time. You were getting 74, 75, 73, and despite the fact you were doing excellent when you used to take mock tests in the lab. Prateek, what do you think? What was missing in your previous attempts, which was there this time, which helped you to get this score? You have scored 87 overall, 90 speaking, 90 listening, 87 in writing, and 79 in reading.
I think previously I was missing on write from dictation,
Hmm.
listening, fill in the blanks, plus a summarized spoken text. Because while I was giving a mock test, as well as when I was giving a single test for the listening or for the writing section, and I was seeing that for the summarized spoken text and for the writing section in which we have to write down about the paragraphs. So I was missing in that one. Like I was getting 1 or 2 marks less in that. Plus for the summarized spoken text, initially I didn't get the full template. Like I didn't remember it on the exam day. So I missed that. So I properly remembered on how to write it on that day. So I practiced it a lot. So
Hmm.
it helped me. And accordingly for work from dictation, I practiced it for around 30 to 40 sentences every day. So it
Hmm.
helped me getting to know that how to basically break those sentences while they're repeating it so that I can write that down.
Hmm.
And it really helped me.
That's 100% correct, guys. Very important. If you're missing out in listening or your writing module, you need to work on your write from dictation, listening blanks, and your summarized spoken text spellings as well. That is the key area where majority of the students think they're doing fine, but that is something where most of the students miss out on. So make sure there are no spelling errors in the listening module as well. Prateek, as you mentioned that you were regular, you have taken a few mock tests as well. How important a mock test?
I think mock test is really important, because you will get to know that where you stand. So you will analyze better. You will get to know that where are your fall points and where you have to work on. Where are you good at? So the things where you are good at. Like I was pretty fine with the describe image as well as repeat sentences and the read aloud. So
Hmm.
I did them, but not oftenly, so
Yep.
that I don't miss out on that.
Yep.
But like I can focus on the parts in which I wasn't good at. So
Hmm.
it really helped me because it helps us to know what we are lacking.
Hmm.
And I would recommend everyone to give a mock test before going to PT exam so that you should know that on what areas you have to work on. You can work on accordingly and you can get your desired score by that.
That's 100% correct. Mock test will give you a real picture of where you stand, what you're missing out on, what are your weak areas, what are things you need to work on, and what are the areas which you feel you're doing fine, but you're actually not. That is the key outcome when you take the mock test, because normally when we practice, we do fine, but when you have to manage everything, you have to manage your time, you have to handle the nerves, you have to manage all the pressure and nervousness. You often tend to make a lot of mistakes. That is where mock tests come in handy. You are exposed to the real exam environment while not even taking the real exam. And that is why you perform better when you go and take the actual test. Pratik, any final tips for students out there missing out again and again, trying everything, what they should do and what they should do to be consistent like you, were you were there every day in the lab, right? What should they do to be consistent like you?
Like for the consistency, like you have to push yourself every day, to be honest. Like you have to come to the lab, you have to do the questions that has been assigned by you or by Rishabh sir.
Yeah.
So like you have to be daily doing the questions. If by any chance like you have too much workload and you cannot come to the lab, do the questions at home. Like don't miss out. Like
Hmm.
that's what I'll say.
That,
Moreover, like for the reading section as well, I'll say that focus more on reading, fill in the blanks, because it will contribute towards your writing.
yep.
No, it will contribute towards just your reading. But for
Yep.
the reading, writing blanks, it will contribute towards your writing as well as your reading, and
Yep.
it is really important for both of them. Plus, for the speaking one, I will say that read aloud, repeat sentences, and describe image. Almost everything is important in speaking, because speaking part contributes towards listening itself as well as to the reading part. So speaking is kind of important.
Hmm.
And in the listening part, I think everyone should work on write from dictation,
Hmm.
listening, fill in the blanks, and summarize spoken text,
Hmm.
and select the incorrect word. I think
That's
those four parts are really important. And for the writing part, like just follow the template that sir has given to you, and you'll be fine.
that's 100% correct. That's a lot of good insight into the test. Speaking, you need to focus on everything, especially on a read aloud, repeat sentence, both the reading blanks, writing, follow the templates, and listening, summarize spoken text blanks, write from dictation, and highlight incorrect words. If you do so, if you push yourself, as Prateek has mentioned, if you show up every day, if you're consistent, and you take the feedback and work on it 120%, you can claim 25 points towards your permanent residency. That's it from this video, guys. Congratulations and all the very best, Prateek.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. That's it from this video, guys. Remember this thing: if he has done it, if I have done it, if thousands of students around you are doing it every day, our Facebook page is full of scorecards. Why they're doing it? Because they're working hard. It's their hard work, but they are working hard in the right direction. And if you do so, you will get your score as well. I'll see you very soon. Till then, take care and stay safe.